Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can embed your Calendly booking form into your Squarespace website. So as you can see, I have a demo page created on my Squarespace website here, and to be able to start things off, what we want to do is go ahead and click edit. From here we're going to want to go ahead and add a new block, and we're going to want to select the embed block, and then let's bring that down just to make everything look all neat. And when we go ahead and click on the edit button on the embed block, it's going to tell us that we're going to need either a link or a piece of code snippet. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to our Calendly page right now. And as we can see here, we've got our intro call set up. Obviously, if you haven't got a Calendly page already, you can go ahead and set that up. We're going to want to go ahead and click into that. From here, we want to go ahead and click share. And we've got three options, essentially. We've got share a link, add times to email, and then we have add to website. So we're going to want to go ahead and click that one. And then the options that we have here is we have inline embed, pop-up widget, and pop-up text. Now, we don't want to have that at the bottom right of the screen, or do we want that to be popping up on a piece of text? We want it there at all times. So we're going to click the inline embed. From here, we click continue. On the next page, it's going to give us some customization options like hide event type details and hide the cookie banner. But what we actually need to do is go ahead and copy this embed code. So let's go down on this button right here and click copy code. And then we're going to want to head back to our Squarespace website, go over to the code snippet tab, click embed data, and then we're going to want to paste our code right into here. Come back off all of this. Go ahead and click save, and what you're going to notice is that your Calendly isn't going to come up on your edit screen. But if we actually exit out of this, so we're actually on your preview of your website, you're going to see that your Calendly has now been loaded into your website and it's embedded successfully, and people can go ahead and book any calls with you depending on how you've got that set up. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one.